Clue number 8 involves solving an equation to determine the value of x. The answer you get will be the next number you need to determine the 8th letter of the word jumble. So to help me do this, I'm going to open the Equatio extension, and I'm going to use the handwriting recognition tool. So I'm going to select handwriting recognition, and the previous work that I'd used was there. So I'm going to start by going into the math section and setting up a system so that I can align my equal signs. So I'm going to start by doing Shift Enter, Shift Space, and it creates almost like a little table where we have 4 different cells. So I'm going to select the first cell because that's where I want the work to go. So I'm going to go negative 2x minus 10, and the opposite of subtracting 10 is adding 10, equals. Now I want to put it on the other side of the equal sign, but maintaining that alignment. So I'm going to select the second cell, and I'm going to write negative 38 plus 10. Now I need to go down, so I'm going to select the next cell by clicking on it. So then I will have negative 2x equals, and then negative 38 plus 10, we end up with negative 28. So when I look at my math cell here where it's been digitized, you'll see where the cursor is, but we need to move it so that it's right next to the negative 28 before we add a new line. So Shift Enter. I'm going to now continue on solving my equation. So negative 2x, the opposite of multiplying by negative 2 is dividing by negative 2. So what we do to one side, we must do to the other to maintain balance. So we have negative 28 divided by negative 2. And then when I click out here, I'm actually going to undo that because it seemed like something happened. I'm going to hit negative 2. Then where we want to be, Shift Enter, and then I'm left with my final answer. Good luck.